Hello everyone, here I would like to describe how to create a custom number format. And firstly, you can see that on home tab there is a number format option, and when you go for it, then we see in bottom more number formats, and when we click on it, then we see custom, and we have different formats for our number, different custom formats, so we can apply it on a cell or a different number of cells. So firstly we want to apply on this, and we choose this cell, then we go for it on number formats, and then custom, and then we can apply this number format, and then we can see that our number is changing in this format. So if now we can go for year or month, so now I can choose these years, and then I'll go in same way, and I choose month and year. So I can see that my data will be converted into in this form. So if I go for next, so by autofill we can change our whole data in this form. So this is the way we can change our year into month and year. So now we can go for IND Mirani, which means some numbers, and then we again go into more number formats, and we choose custom, apply this on it. So by this we can see that we can see our data without decimal form, like in exact form what we want, like this is 8, and then from autofill 8 we cannot apply autofill in these manners. So you can see that we can apply autofill here, we cannot apply autofill in numbers, like we can only apply autofill on years, dates, month. So I would like to change my audience score into percentage, 86, then for it number formats, custom, then I'll go for this percentage, and then I say my data will be converted in this form. I'll see that by autofill. So as I previously mentioned that you cannot apply autofill format in this way. So you can see that now we have to move on our next format. So as I previously mentioned, this is a way how to create a custom number format, so we cannot apply this format on text. We can only apply this method in on numbers, like on data which we have in numbers. So this is the way we can apply and we can create custom number format. So here I'd like to choose this one, the format custom, like if you want to in this way, like these are the ways, different ways. So like if we want to apply this one, like same in decimals, we can convert numbers into decimals. So and it can be in right side of the corner. So we can see that if we apply this format, so we can see our 4 decimals, our whole converted data on which we applied our format. We can see that whole data in the right side of the cell, and remaining data we can see on the left side. So this is the another number format. So we have different formats for our numbers. so which we want to apply, we can apply easily from this way. By this way we can easily clarify our numbers, we can use methods. So this is number forms, different number forms. So this is overall lesson for how to create a number custom number formats. So in this way we can apply custom number formats on different numbers. Thank you, this is the end of lesson.